Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel for another informative video. Today I'll be guiding you on how to install Fortnite on iOS 17.4, specifically on your iPhone. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon for future updates. Let's jump right into it. iOS 17.4 brings about changes in app distributions within the European Union due to the Digital Market Act (DMA). However, it's important to note that these changes only affect the Epic Games Store on iPhones, not iPads or other regions. The official release of the Epic Games Store for iOS is still in development and has not been launched yet. Epic Games has stated that they are working on both legal and technical aspects to comply with the DMA and bring Fortnite back to iOS through their store. Therefore, the safest and most recommended approach is to await an official announcement from Epic Games regarding the availability of Fortnite through their store. By waiting for this announcement, you ensure that your device and personal information are protected. I hope this information proves helpful to you. If you found it useful, please subscribe to my channel and enable notifications for future videos. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.